Are you ready to ditch your smartphone in 2025? Say goodbye to the old way of staying connected, and dive into the future with these mind-blowing gadgets that are redefining tech as we know it. From wearable displays to AI-powered communication tools, these futuristic devices are set to replace your phone and blow your mind. Don't forget, all the featured product links are waiting for you in the description below, so you can explore and shop instantly. Baseus Power Bank. Power up your productivity with the Baseus 20,000 mAh 65W metal power bank, the ultimate portable charger built for modern tech warriors. Crafted with a sleek, durable aluminum alloy shell, this powerhouse combines style and strength, making it perfect for work, travel, or everyday life on the go. With 65W power delivery 3.0 fast charging, it juices up your MacBook, Dell XPS, iPad, iPhone 15/14/13/12 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23/S22, and even Steam Deck, all at top speed. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety. The 4-port design includes 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A outputs, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously with confidence and efficiency. Whether you're editing on your laptop, gaming on the go, or navigating a busy day, the Baseus Power Bank ensures your devices stay powered and ready. With intelligent safety features, high-speed charging, and universal compatibility, it's not just a battery, it's a mobile energy hub. Stay charged. Stay unstoppable. Baseus, power for everything. OLED Station X Battery Charger. Meet the OLED Station X, the ultimate all-in-one battery solution designed to simplify your power game. Exclusively crafted for rechargeable AA and AMH batteries, this intelligent charger does more than just power up, it charges, tests, and stores with seamless precision. With a sleek 3-in-1 design, the Station X comes preloaded with 32 high-performance AA and AMH batteries, making it ideal for households, photographers, gamers, and professionals who rely on consistent energy. Thanks to its no polarity check design, just insert and go, no need to double-check directions. Plus, its bad battery detection ensures safety and optimal charging every time. Take full control with the OLED app, which gives you real-time monitoring and status updates right from your smartphone. Whether you're managing gear at home or on the job, Station X keeps your batteries organized, healthy, and always ready. Smart charging meets effortless convenience. The OLED Station X isn't just a charger, it's the command center for your battery life. Power smarter. Store better. Live ready. Sharpie S Gel. Say hello to smooth, bold writing with the Sharpie S Gel pens, where performance meets precision. Designed for writers, creators, and professionals who demand clarity and control, these medium-point, 0.7mm gel pens deliver a rich, intensely black ink flow that's as bold as your ideas. Whether you're journaling, sketching, note-taking, or coloring, the S-Gel pens glide effortlessly with no smear, no bleed technology, ensuring your work stays clean and crisp. The sleek black barrel feels great in hand, combining a modern aesthetic with a comfortable grip for hours of fatigue-free writing. With a pack of 12, you'll always have a premium pen ready when inspiration strikes. Perfect for students, professionals, artists, or anyone who loves the satisfying smoothness of gel ink with the trusted Sharpie name behind it. From bullet journaling to brainstorming, coloring to creating, Sharpie S-Gel makes every word and line stand out. Write bold. Create fearless. Sharpie S-Gel ink that keeps up with you. Renpho Iris 1. Discover next-level relaxation with the Renpho Iris 1 eye massager, the perfect gift for anyone who needs to unwind and recharge. Designed with advanced heat therapy, gentle vibration, and air pressure massage, this smart eye mask helps reduce eye strain, relieve tension, and promote deeper relaxation, whether you're winding down after a long day or taking a quick break from screen time. Ideal for mom, dad, women, men, anyone in need of self-care, the Iris 1 makes a thoughtful and practical gift for Mother's Day, birthdays, or just because. It's FSA/HSA eligible, making wellness even more accessible. The foldable, portable design makes it perfect for use at home, in the office, or on the go. With an adjustable strap, intuitive controls, and a built-in rechargeable battery, this eye massager delivers spa-like comfort anytime, anywhere. Give your eyes the care they deserve. Renpho Iris 1, where smart technology meets total relaxation. Ready to relax? Your eyes will thank you. GM Tech Mini PC Intel N150. Unleash powerhouse performance in the palm of your hand with the GM Tech Nukebox G3 Plus Mini PC. Powered by an Intel N150 processor with turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz, this compact desktop delivers big performance for work, entertainment, and multitasking without taking up space. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a blazing fast 1TB PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD, you'll experience lightning-quick startups, seamless multitasking, and ample storage for all your files, media, and apps. Whether you're editing documents, streaming 4K content, or managing complex workflows, the G3 Plus keeps everything running smooth. Dual 4K HDMI outputs support stunning visuals across 2 monitors, while Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 offer fast, stable wireless connectivity. Need ports? You've got them: 4x USB 3.2, RJ45 Ethernet, and more for all your devices. Sleek, silent, and energy efficient, the GM Tech Mini PC is perfect for home offices, digital creators, or anyone who needs serious power in a tiny package. Think small. Work big. Nukebox G3 Plus. Your desktop redefined. The future is calling, and it's not on your phone anymore. Which of these incredible gadgets would you use to replace your smartphone in 2025? Let us know in the comments. And remember, all the links to these next-gen devices are in the description below, so check them out and stay ahead of the tech curve. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cutting-edge tech updates. Your future self will thank you.